Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file on mobile. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply go to Google Drive on your phone. Then once you go to your Google Drive, you should now click on the file option right here. Then click on this plus sign. And now you can simply click on scan, click on allow while using the app. Then here I will scan this photo of my background. I will just take a photo, then click on this sign. And here, as you can see, I have it. Now you can simply click on save. And here you have it as a PDF. You can click on save. Then here, as you can see, you have it in your Google Drive in the form of PDF. Now let's say that you want to do the same steps for a folder or something that is inside your gallery. So what you should do is to simply click on this plus sign also, then click on upload. Then you should choose a photo or a picture from your own mobile. Let's say that I'm gonna add this image, for example. And now here, as you can see, I have it. You should now click on it. Then you should click on these three dots on the top right corner. Then you should scroll down till you find print, tap on it. Then you will have it just like so. You will now have to click on this option on the top left corner, then click on save as PDF. Then you just have to save it. Click on this sign, then choose where do you want to save it as a PDF. And now let's say that you have something that is already existing on your Google Drive and you want to convert it to PDF. You just have to click on it. Then once you click on it, you should now go to the top right corner, click on these three dots, then click on print. Then you should now click on this top left corner and click on save as PDF also. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.